Let me introduce you to a powerful natural remedy that has been trusted in traditional medicine for generations. Psyllium husk, also known as Isabgol. Isabgol is a natural fiber that expands when mixed with liquid. It absorbs excess water in the intestines and helps regulate digestion by forming bulk. Whether you are suffering from recent diarrhea or chronic loose motions, even if blood is present in the stool or you are experiencing bloody diarrhea, this simple remedy can offer quick and effective relief. Take 1 glass of cold drink such as cola or any soft drink and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk. Stir well and drink it slowly. Repeat this process 3 times a day at regular intervals. In most cases, the motions stop within a few uses, even if the condition is severe or has been going on for days. Psyllium husk naturally soothes the digestive system, controls excessive fluid, and restores gut balance. This traditional home remedy can sometimes work faster and better than medicines or clinical treatments. Do not overuse it and make sure to stay hydrated by drinking clean water throughout the day. If symptoms persist beyond 24 hours or worsen, consult a qualified medical professional. At HealthPath Now, we bring you effective, doctor-reviewed natural remedies that really work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.